Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable screen security in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. Go ahead and open it, and what you need to do is enter your PIN. After you do so, you can go to your profile on the top left hand corner and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, you can scroll a bit down and you can see the screen security option. You can block screenshots in the recent list and inside the app. If you enable this, you can no longer take the screenshot. So you can see that screenshot is not allowed as being shown. So you can disable this anytime you want as well. So I'm going to show this process to you once again. Click on your profile and then click on Privacy. After that, scroll down and under App Security, you can see the screen security option, which will block the screenshots in the recent list and inside the app as well. Go ahead and enable it, and there you go. This is how you enable or disable the screen security in Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.